Master Resell Rights Galore. Exploring the 5000 PLR eBook kit. Are you tired of creating your content from scratch? Do you want to save time and effort while still providing amazing value to your audience? Look no further, because 5000 PLR eBook kit, filled to the brim with Master Resell Rights Galore. In case you're not familiar with PLR, it stands for Private Label Rights, which means you can modify and rebrand the content as your own. And with 5000 ebooks to choose from, you'll never run out of topics to cover in your videos or blog posts. Welcome to our video where we'll explore the 5000 PLR ebook kit and the endless possibilities it offers. Join me on this journey to discover how you can enhance your content creation process and provide more value to your audience. With PLR, you can purchase a product and modify it to suit your needs. It's an excellent way to save time and effort while still providing valuable content to your audience. The 5000 PLR ebook kit now. Let's take a look at the star of the show, the 5000 PLR ebook kit. With this kit, you'll be able to cover a wide range of topics, from health to business to personal development. Creating your content from scratch can be time-consuming and exhausting. With the 5000 PLR ebook kit, you'll save hours of research and writing time. You'll have a wealth of information at your fingertips that you can easily modify to suit your needs. Now that you know what the kit is and how it can benefit you, let's go over how to use it effectively. Start by choosing a topic that aligns with your brand and audience's interests. Modify the ebook to fit your brand and style, add your own insights, and you're ready to go. Click the link and see if your niche is covered.